Warning! This video contains material of a disturbing nature, which viewers of a sensitive disposition or those who have suffered at the hands of the banks and financial institutions may find upsetting. Hello, it I Wojtek. Now I need writing letter about UK banking, so I writing to Governor of Bank of England, Mr. Carney. Dear Mr. Governor Carney, I hope you enjoying new job in UK. I hope he not mind they will capping payday loan interest rate in UK only 2 year after he come here. Maybe this why he leave Canada, because they capping federal rate for payday loan or any loan at 60% APR or 30% in some state. And it very bad monetarism. Still no limit here in UK, so payday loan company can charging 5,000%, which market rate, because banks not lending no money to nobody. January 2015 will be changed to 100% maximum, but this not APR, which some calculating 300%, and limit a lot higher and a long time after most big economy country capping interest rate. USA have typical 16%. European country have 15 to 22%. Japan have 20% since 2006, and now virtual zero loan shark problem. Even in UK was cap before 1974, which was 48%. But now in UK we believe monetarism, and we know we right, and all other countries stupid idiot. Even if other country have specialist economists in government. My uncle Fyodor say interest capping for 2015 is too little and too late and only tinker around edge of problem. But he also stupid idiot and not understand British way it best. So now next thing. I have question it about so-called monopoly in banking sector. Maybe you can settling argument. My uncle Fyodor try say me that if you have maybe 5 bank, just example, all which mixed casino and high street, and divide in 2, you not have 10 bank, but still have 2 different monopoly of 5 bank. So here 5 mixed bank divide into 5 safely high street bank and 5 casino bank, which not high street, but it high risk bank. How many bank now have? 5 or 10? Of course, I only give example of 5 and 10. My uncle Fyodor also telling USA still have 7,000 bank after crisis. Germany have nearly 3,000, but UK have only 5. Stupid, crazy idiot. 5 bank. I was looking on internet and find UK have a lot bank. And not believe Fyodor, who say one bank merger with other until only 5. If only have 5 bank in whole country, then have monopoly, which automatic operate cartel. I saying Uncle Fyodor, he have kasha porridge in head. I say him, UK was have monopolies commission. Why you think they call monopolies commission, and why they have pay salary for job? Maybe to creating monopoly and cartel everywhere, instead promote competition. Uncle Fyodor answered me, maybe they changed name to Competition Commission in 1999 in case people thinking they promoting monopoly instead promoting competition. But he telling me really reason it because in City of London financial sector have a lot big accountant and lawyer firm which needing was merger and acquisition for make fortune. So they was paying government big mega fund bang for allow merger and takeover. What I know it. UK have strong tradition of banking and was long-time monopolies commission for stop merger and stop too many acquisition and keeping strong competition and healthy sector, even changing name of organization for time for remind self exactly what they supposed to be doing. So I calculate it not can be 5 or 10 bank, must be 4,000 or 5,000 UK bank. So, can you say me which number correct? 5 UK bank, maybe 10 or 5,000. I once see Uncle Fyodor face when I telling him what say me Governor of Bank of England. Second, it banking culture. Banks still, how you say, mugging customer, especially small business client which easy target. My crazy uncle who belong funny farm say me that they not change culture, maybe because they run cartel with what you calling impunity, and because not enough banker going to prison for fraud and get bonus even if collapse 2009 was their fault for how they buy toxic debt from USA. They thinking they immune. They make mistake, but small business and mortgage borrower go bust, not banker. Bank raising interest rate to level which business and homeowner not can pay. And if bank collapse, people pay again for bailout. Banker maybe not mean what he say, but he say, sorry, 4 time or 5,000 time. Possible one banker representing 1,000 or more different bank company. Fyodor say whole country pay for they greedy and bank soon forget be sorry and already doing business as usually. Make own rule regulation together in unison like choir in church and all mugging and smashing on head all small helpless client, which not like choir in church. Fyodor also say they always find new trick for get around guideline from Bank of England or Financial Conduct Authority. Latest one, they landing 70% like supposed to, but only 70% of 70% of value, which 49%, and charging too much interest. If they not want doing something, they all not doing it. Lucky I'm not writing to Chancellor of Exchequer who have problem with multiplication times 7. So, and finally, interest rate. Increasing 1/4% can meaning 20,000 extra owner of house or business will go bankrupt because only hanging on with nail of finger on hand and skin of tooth in mouth. Every day, 5 new bankrupt in UK already, plus all business which collapse. Mr. Carney, what hell you waiting for? Not writing that to Governor. I want asking you, Mr. Governor Carney, sir, why such long delay? 5 bankrupt per day, it not enough, and soon maybe it will only 4 and 3. Please put more higher UK base rate quickly, extra 1% or 2%, then will be maybe 2 million extra bankrupt. You must to extend this crisis, not making everybody to wait 10 or 20 years for next banking crisis. People telling me last decent banking crisis was 1989, 3 years after banking deregulation. In 2 years, they stop all business overdraft at 8% and offer only fixed loan at 22.5%, even 33% if you want closing account, with big bonus for manager. My lunatic Uncle Fyodor says this cause and effect. He say 1989 and even new crisis came from deregulation, because banks killing business, not accountable to nobody until they crash. But Uncle Fyodor needing medication and maybe psychiatrist for stop have crazy idea. So now I have small break for cup of tea. Next page of letter to Mr. Carney, I will telling why I like so much recycling sector for my next business enterprise. Anyone can make fortune from this, and it all legal. My God, I so enjoy write about British system and explain how we like doing this in UK to mans like Mr. Carney, who foreign, so maybe not understanding what best way forward for my new adopt home. PTO, how you say,